Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Coo Board is probably one of the most essential tools for any hairstylist looking to achieve seamless and precise balayage techniques, offering a smooth surface that allows for effortless color application and blending, ensuring every strand is perfectly saturated for vibrant, natural-looking highlights that clients will adore, making it an indispensable asset in your salon's arsenal for creating stunning hair transformations. Number 5. FRAMAR Balayage Board and Paddle Set. Introducing the FRAMAR Balayage Board and Paddle Set, designed for a seamless highlighting experience. Achieve professional results with ease. Its textured surface ensures a superior grip, allowing for a faster and smoother workflow. This means more time for creativity and less time struggling with tools. The boards are curved to fit closer to the head, providing ultimate control and precision for intricate highlighting techniques. Whether you need a long or short board, this set has you covered. It's perfect for all your highlighting needs, from subtle to bold. Elevate your hair coloring game with this essential tool. Get salon-quality results right at home or in your salon. This pack includes 2 boards, offering exceptional value and ensuring you always have the right tool on hand. Experience the FRAMAR difference. What we like. This set offers versatility with both long and short boards, perfect for various hair lengths and techniques. Its textured surface ensures excellent grip, leading to a smoother workflow. If you're looking for efficiency and control during balayage, especially for detailed work close to the head, this is a great option. What people say. The board gives you a really solid surface to work on, which helps with cleaner, more controlled balayage placement. It's especially helpful when you're working on precision or trying to keep your sections consistent. It was strong material that didn't bend when foiling. The checkered design was so cute. I find them easier to use when foiling long hair around the hairline. Number 4. Cooboard Balayage Board with Teeth. Introducing the authentic Cooboard Balayage Board, designed for professional hairstyling. Get precise results with its integrated teeth. This is the original highlighting paddle from the makers of the Cooboard Hair Highlighting Kit. It's a trusted tool for beautiful balayage. Crafted for convenience, it's easy to clean after each use. Its sturdy construction ensures durability for long-lasting performance. Experience comfort and control with its lightweight design. It makes intricate highlighting techniques effortless. Available in a sleek black finish, this tool adds a touch of professionalism to your salon or home styling kit. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. What we like. As the original Coo Board, this tool is designed for ease of use and durability. The integrated teeth help section hair precisely, streamlining the coloring process. If you value a lightweight, sturdy, and easy-to-maintain tool from a trusted maker, this is the one for you. What people say. Its design with teeth makes it much easier to apply the dye and achieves an even distribution of the product, which makes the wicks look more blurred and professional. The XXL size is ideal for large sections of hair and saves a lot of time in each session. In addition, it is super light, resistant and very easy to clean. The quality is noticeable from the first use. Without a doubt, an indispensable tool for stylists or for those who love to get coloring at home. I use this board when I'm doing teasy lights, keeps the teas held back easily, and ensures great saturation. It's exactly as pictured. Not too thick to the head when putting it on and off the head. Works great. Number 3. Mutter 4 PCS Balayage Highlighting Board and Brush Kit. Introducing the Mutter 4 PCS Balayage Highlighting Board and Brush Kit. This comprehensive set is perfect for achieving salon-quality hair coloring results at home or in the salon. You'll receive 3 highlighting boards in various sizes and 1 professional hair coloring brush. This combination provides everything you need for precise and efficient hair dyeing. The highlighting boards come in 3 convenient sizes: large, 35 by 8.2 centimeters, medium, 26.5 by 8.2 centimeters, and small, 19 by 9.5 centimeters. The brush measures approximately 21 by 6 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit for any task. Designed for ease of use, this set simplifies the highlighting process. Simply place a section of hair on the board and apply color or bleach with the brush for even coverage. Achieve beautiful, blended looks with minimal effort. The durable design ensures great coverage, and the tools are easy to clean and reusable for multiple applications. Whether you're a professional hairstylist or coloring your hair at home, this kit is an essential accessory. Get ready to transform your look with confidence and ease. What we like. This kit provides excellent value with 3 different sized boards and a coloring brush, making it a comprehensive solution. The variety of sizes caters to different hair types and styling needs. If you're a beginner or a stylist looking for an all-in-one, budget-friendly kit for home or salon use, this is an ideal choice. What people say. These work perfectly for holding the teased hair out of the way as I apply lightener or color. The various sizes make it easy to use them on any client. They are not flimsy and are comfortable to hold. Great quality and has different size boards. Makes highlighting much easier. Love it in cosmetology school right now, and it's great, easy to use, and gets work done faster and less messy. Number 2. Carbon Fiber Foil Balayage Board. Experience the difference with our premium carbon fiber board. It's incredibly lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion, ensuring a superior styling experience. We offer a range of sizes to perfectly suit every stylist's needs. Whether you're working with different hair lengths or volumes, there's a perfect fit for you. This tool is designed to be your ultimate styling companion. Its lightweight nature allows for greater creativity and precision in crafting unique client hairstyles. Enjoy a comfortable grip with our unique ergonomic design. It's crafted to enhance your work efficiency and elevate the quality of your styling services. The advanced carbon fiber material not only performs reliably but also adds a touch of modern technology to your salon. Let it inspire your creativity and showcase your professional skills. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this board is both strong and lightweight. Its smooth, rounded edges ensure comfort and safety during use. What we like. Crafted from premium carbon fiber, this board is exceptionally lightweight and durable, reducing fatigue for stylists. Its ergonomic design enhances grip and work efficiency, allowing for more creative freedom. If you're a professional stylist seeking a high-performance, comfortable tool that adds a modern touch to your work, this is a top-tier selection. What people say. Perfect. This foiling board works great for pretty much every highlight touch-up client. Fouls fit perfectly. Lightweight and easy to use. I have the longer ones for virgin highlights, balayage, and longer hair lowlights. Super sturdy but still very lightweight. Also large enough for my long hair clients. Number 1. Professional Hair Dye Color Board for Balayage. This hair dye board features a unique round teeth design. It helps apply dye evenly while preventing direct contact with your scalp, ensuring a comfortable coloring experience. Designed with a long handle and smooth edges, this tool is easy to hold and use. Its lightweight construction means you can color your hair for extended periods without fatigue. Achieve comprehensive and fast hair coloring with this practical tool. It's perfect for DIY hair dyeing at home or for professional use in a barbershop, available in 2 convenient sizes. Crafted from high-quality, thick ABS material, this highlighting board is built to last. It offers excellent hardness and strength, making it resistant to damage and easy to clean. We are committed to providing you with the best products and service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll help resolve them quickly. What we like. This board features an ergonomic design with teeth that effectively apply dye while protecting the scalp from direct contact. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's built for longevity and ease of cleaning. If you prioritize scalp health and a comfortable, efficient dyeing experience, especially for DIY at home or in a barber shop, this tool is highly recommended. What people say. Very helpful. Wish they had longer ones available. La paleta es demasiado pequeña. Why no es profesional, el material es muy blando, no es sostén es imposible trabajar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.